Oh, this is really stressful. I mean, look at these clouds. This is crazy, man. Seems like we're running up against time really bad. So just from it being close to that, it'll arc?
Well, yeah, it's because the humidity in the air, all the water, it's creating a bridge.
I mean, what the are we gonna do? All right, we got an interesting one today. We are going over to the $1 Million Pool, phase 2. This is to pour the foundation for an addition. It is sprinkling outside, so we're in a mad race to get this concrete poured. We have some retaining walls to do, so we'll pour them inside the forms for the retaining walls, and then we're gonna plastic over it. So later in the day, when it rains, no water is gonna get inside there. Trucks are on the way. There was no way to cancel it. I think we're gonna be good to go, but it's probably gonna be a hairy one. So let's see. Just look at how crazy this site is. Nice big pump truck today. We've got a concrete truck over there. It's not raining right now, so that's good. ¿Qué pasó? Buenos días. Víctor, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué pasó, papá? No rain.
Soon to be a little bit.
No pasa nada. It's a wall. There's our retaining walls for the new foundation. Oh, just layers of problems in between layers of complications while we're doing this beast of a pour. Look at how wild this is. Jesus Christ. That is insanity. This is insane.
Look at that, dude. That's so crazy. Especially when you look at the old footage, the old videos,
yeah,
like of what this place looked like before this.
I know.
Just look at like how much, like this, none of this being here, and then you just pulled all of that. The guy was saying, one of the neighbors was saying that the house used to, like the yard used to come where that window was, like all the way down.
Oh wow.
Like, this was just like a huge hill, so they had to take all of this out already.
What?
Yeah.
How did you find that out?
The guy was just outside walking his dog one day, and
you talked to him?
Yeah, he was telling me that like this was all just like sloped to. Even then, he was like, "How are people going to build a house on this?"
All right, this is tricky because we're using our pump truck here, but we have that power line over there, and we need 20 feet clearance. So we're gonna have to get kind of creative. Bring this arm down low and then let that hose go out horizontally. That's a massive arm there. All the way down from the ground. There we go. Pull it back, lay it down.
Not outside.
What did you say?
The concrete is inside, not by outside.
Here it comes. Don't hit those lines, right?
No, he said don't worry about the lines.
Oh, okay. Huh. How many? Hey, Victor. So
4.
Just 4.
Just leave it right here. Okay. Don't move it.
Fucking concrete, guys.
There we go! Damn, dude, it's coming out of there like a motherfucker.
That's a little bit, moves it, lets it dry, and then comes back.
Oh, from there though?
You gotta keep moving it until it dries a little bit, right? You're gonna have to do a little bit all the way around and then then come back.
All right. He said go forward a little more. There you go.
Oh, I can add this.
What?
They got plenty of it.
Yeah, they got it. There it is, baby.
He called me something. I was like, I don't care. I was like, we knew about the power lines. Y'all better figure out how to get the hose over there.
Right?
Yeah.
This is crazy, man. Seems like we're running up against time really bad. Oh, this is really stressful. I mean, look at these clouds. It's getting dark. I'm really praying that the rain is not going to come in. I mean, we have 4 trucks. So that's, you know, $15,000 worth of concrete that we'd have to pay for if we don't use it. I think we're going to make it, but I mean, this is not fun right now. We're like really just racing against the weather. And then what's happening is these walls are so big, there's little gaps at the bottom of the form. So we have to let that dry at the bottom to where we can pour on top and it won't spill out anymore. So we're doing these little sections. But I think once we have that, I mean, all of this is going to go pretty quick. You know, what other way to do it than just right on the edge of disaster? Just to think that at one time we were cavemen trying to discover fire. And then we have this mechanism that is probably over 100 feet in length from down there, snaking all the way over there. And it can pump thousands of tons of rock and earth and sand through it with no problem, while he's holding a remote control and operating the whole thing. I mean, if that's not sorcery, then I don't know what is.
Can you cut that?
Cut it. Look at this. There it is. There she blows.
Appreciate it.
Looks like electricity over there.
Huh?
Looks like, you know,
Sparks?
What happened? What is it?
Sparks over there.
No, we're not. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, you heard it sizzle.
So just from it being close to that, it'll arc?
Well, yeah, it's because the humidity in the air, all the water, it's creating a bridge.
Holy
Hey,
shit.
yeah, that's, I mean, when you heard him say get it away, he can hear it.
Yeah.
And that'll cause it, yeah.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's fill up all that we can. It's arcing. He heard the electricity. I mean, what the hell are we gonna do? Who's that?
The concrete guy.
And say what?
Tell him to stop the trucks, right?
Yeah, I mean, where else are they gonna go?
Yeah.
They're gonna make us pay for them. And then we're gonna have to demo all this shit out if it's not right.
This one.
What are you gonna do? Finish or stop?
You have to wait to stop the water.
Stop the rain,
Lightning.
right? It's lightning.
It needs to be lightning in a little.
There's gonna be lightning soon, man.
Okay, so what can you do with these trucks that we haven't touched?
There's no jobs.
Because it's raining. Why didn't we cancel yesterday?
Because I look, it's only 40%, not 80.
It was only 30% yesterday. I mean, it's sprinkling right now. It's coming in waves. So 3 trucks, $5,200 for the all 4 trucks. Oh, for the 3, yeah, for the 3. Yeah, good, don't. $5,300.
We can't continue.
Right, we have to.
Yeah, there's no way forward. I mean,
Yeah.
I knew that this morning.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we have to. All right, thanks.
I mean, should have just known better. We're gonna have to cancel the rest of the trucks. We thought we can squeeze through. It did not work out. I mean, should have just known in the morning, and really they should have been canceled yesterday. Knowing, I mean, the pump truck canceled on us Friday, so it would have been done. Got pushed to today. Victor's saying, oh, it was only 30% chance of rain, and then this morning it was 80. We should have canceled it. I'm so upset. It wasn't the full amount. They're gonna give us some credit, but you know, that's $5 just wasted. The day's wasted. And then any of the concrete that, if it gets wet, I'm so pissed off.